the customer or the client and the real estate, the guy who owned the property, they were asking each other questions for the same ChatGPT, and ChatGPT started to transfer the data to each other. So the customer was typing, what in this contract, what is the issue, or this business plan, what is the issues happening here, and the customer started to lay down the concern, and the guy who wants to sell also adding his own concern. So the chat started to transfer to each other without knowing that they are talking to each other. So every one of them was presenting solid information about how the threat, what is negotiation. No, you have to reduce your price because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the other person's vulnerability. And both of them were sharing this data to ChatGPT until the realtor started to engage, and he said, please stop. And he closed the deal. And he realized while talking, it was big scandal last. He realized that the ChatGPT for both sides, or whatever LLMs they were using, it was transferring the actual sensitive information to each other, and it was acting as the source of the information. So yes, every data you are training your LLM, you are training. So it will take whatever data you are, actual names, add A, B, like a VLOOKUP in Excel. Like you have to change the name to anonymize the data. If it's months or seasons, and this data is not public, you have to change the headline or the field names to make sure that when you upload this data, it should be treated in an anonymous way, not actual customer name, because you are adding sense. It should happen in your data sovereign, like it should happen in your system, internal. Like you ask your team to build your own AI, okay? Like to use a specific model and build on a cloud to be trained on your data and does not have access. You are not calling the AI with API. You are not sending the data outside. No, you are building the AI on your cloud, and this AI is not connected online, does not have any skill or any capacity to go outside, and you are building this brain inside. But what's happening for your data, for your sake, just be careful about publishing, because you are training LLM. And as long as you are using different or not open source, any other paid service, does not mean it's private. Yes, it will give you good insights, but at the end of the day, whatever you are sharing, it will go for someone. So you have to make sure that your data has a level. Okay, this data is very sensitive. I cannot. So when you have this, you have to make sure that your data has a security level. Oh, this is very sensitive. So I should anonymize the data, change the labels, change the name, add any fake ID for this to make sure that, oh, this data, if somebody else, like the AI itself or the LLM itself, it will not see a benefit out.